Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. This week, well this time, I wanted to revisit something that we did just the last video. It was to use Rain-X. But we did use Rain-X with some float roll and my mix of medium, which contains a lot of white glue. So what I wanted to do, because I was wondering what it would do, because the result was great, but still I wanted to try it without anything in the acrylic, only water with our acrylic, but use at the end the Rain-X to see what happens. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to try it, and let's come back at the end to talk about it. So let's go try it. So guys, once again with the Rain-X, I think the result is great, but we can add something though. There's not much of difference, just by the fact that we didn't use any product, only the Rain-X. I don't think the way we did it before with the Floetrol and the silicone, which is in my mix of medium with a big quantity of white glue, I don't think it's worth it, because as you can see both of them, there's not much difference. The fact that there is more blooming effect in some places, the one that we did now, is just because I did put a little bit more and I didn't spray that much everywhere. So, but we can see for a fact that the cells, I should say, Rain-X form a lot of cells, but a lot of small cells. So for me, it's not quite interesting, I should say, because I'm not a big fan of cells, but still, if you like cells, I think it's a great way to go about it. But the difference between this product and the silicone, not much. I don't think it's worth it, to be frank with you. But again, it's a question of taste, so it's subjective, to each his own. So guys, I hope you enjoy, I hope you want to try it, because of course you have to try it. We cannot make two works identical. There's always a difference, and that's what's nice about pouring. It's never the same. So, like I said, thanks for being here. I hope you're going to come back, and like always, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next painting video. Take care guys. Ciao.